It is estimated that in 1 second, approximately 16 million tons of water evaporate from the Earth. This figure amounts to 505 trillion tons of water in 1 year. This number is equal to the amount of rain that falls on the Earth in a year, and this amount is fixed every year. Therefore, water continuously circulates in a balanced cycle according to a measure. However, this delicate measure, only determined through means afforded by modern technology, was miraculously revealed in the Quran 14 centuries ago. It is He who sends down water in measured amounts from the sky, by which we bring a dead land back to life. That is how you too will be raised from the dead. Life on Earth depends on this water cycle. Even a minor deviation in this equilibrium would soon give rise to a major ecological imbalance that would make the Earth unfit for life.